Hello and welcome to Apuntes de Español. In this video, we are going to study the past perfect, el pretérito pluscuamperfecto. This video, we will speak about the usage, how to form it, some common expressions, and then we will do some practice exercises. Let's dive into it. The past perfect is used to express an action that happened before another one in the past, and to provide context or explain a situation. If we want to express an action that happened before another one in the past, take a look at this timeline. In this timeline, we have two events that happened in the past. One, cancelaron el partido de fútbol, they canceled the soccer game. But before that, it rained a lot, llovió mucho. If I want to put those two sentences together to express what happens first, I will have to conjugate the verb in the past perfect, as in the example, cancelaron el partido de fútbol porque había llovido mucho. In the sentence, había llovido is the past perfect and is the actions that happened before another one in the past. The past perfect can also be used to provide context or explain a situation, as in the example, no encontraba mis llaves porque las había dejado en casa. I couldn't find my keys because I left them at home. To conjugate the past perfect, we're going to need two elements, as you in English. You will say, I had, and then the past participle, eaten. In Spanish, you will also conjugate, but the imperfect tense of the verb haber. In this case, había, habías, había, habíamos, habíais, habían, plus the past participle. AR will end in ADO, ado, and ER and IR ending verbs will add in ido. Let's do some practice. How will you say, I had work? You will say, había trabajado. As the verb to work, trabajar, ends with AR, you will replace the AR with ADO and say, trabajado, with había trabajado. Siguiente ejemplo. You had eaten. Habías comido. We had read. Stop the video if you need more time to think. The answer is, habíamos leído. She had been. Había estado. Now let's explore some common expressions with the past perfect. There are certain words that can be used with the past perfect, as for example, the word ya, which means already. Ya había comido cuando llegaste. O todavía, which is not yet. Or nunca, if you want to speak about the things that you have never done. Like for example, nunca había viajado en avión. I have never traveled in a plane. Now, to practice the past perfect, we are going to do one speaking activity. Listen and repeat. Nunca había viajado en avión. Nunca había viajado en avión. One more time. Nunca había viajado en avión. Nunca había viajado en avión. Excellent. Now listen and respond. Now we're going to watch some videos in which they are using the past perfect. Pay close attention and then respond to the questions.
Claro, nunca te había escuchado decir que estabas enamorado. Claro, nunca te había escuchado decir que estabas enamorado.
Me había comprado un regalo. Me había comprado un regalo.
No, que los había comprado para nosotros. No, que los había comprado para nosotros.
Good job. So in this video, we have learned how to form the past perfect, remember, by using the imperfect form of the verb haber and the past participle. We have seen some examples. We also have talked about when to use it, when we want to express complete actions before another past events. And we will recall the importance of this past tense to build timelines in stories and show cause and effect in past situations. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and let us know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Hasta pronto.